The Igbo of the 5 southeastern states, which include Abia, Anambra, Enugu, Imo, and Ebonyi, are crying that they are being sidelined, that they are marginalized. According to them, only the southeast has only 5 states in all the 6 geopolitical zones in Nigeria. So my question this afternoon is, should the 6th state be created from the 5 southeastern states, or should it be created from the south-south? I am asking this question because of the statement credited to Ned Nwoko few days ago. So this afternoon, I would like you guys to listen to Senator Ned Nwoko. At the end of the day, I will need you to tell me if you want the 6th state to be created from the southeast or from the south-south. This is Ned Nwoko. Anioma people, proudly Igbos, will be 6th southeast state. Ned Nwoko. Appearing on Channel TV's Wednesday's edition of Politics Today, Nwoko pointed out that Southeast has become marginalized, especially in that regard, being that the region only has 5 states. The lawmaker was confident that the federal government would certainly create another state, which according to him would come out from Delta State, either to give the South-South a 7th or a 6th for the Southeast. According to Nwoko, this was the only way the federal government could assist the Igbo. The creation of Anioma State is very possible. The need is for self-determination. Let me tell you this. I represent 9 local government areas. My constituency is made up of 9 local government areas. Out of these 9 LGAs, 6 of them are oil and gas producing. We are predominantly agricultural people. Some of it has been devastated by oil pollution. But to have a state is something we have been clamoring for over 50 years. We the Aniomas are proudly Igbos. We will be the 6th Igbo state. The fact is that the federal government is going to create one state. They are going to create the state to assist the Igbos because they have been marginalized. Southeast is the only part of Nigeria that is marginalized. Southeast is the zone in Nigeria with just 5 states. Others have 6 states except for the Northwest that has 7. You don't call that being marginalized. And if you listen to the youths who are agitating in IPOB or ESN, what they are clamoring for, they are talking about being marginalized. And one of the ways we are being marginalized is having fewer states than others. And we, the Igbos from the other side of the river, they call us Bendel or Western Igbo. If we have a state that could become the 6th state in the southeast or the 7th state in the south-south, the fact is that an average Igbo person will feel okay. Something has been done for us. Daily Post reports that Ned Nwoko, who is in the forefront of the push for the state creation, has recently stated that his support for the creation of Anioma State stems from a deep commitment to the welfare and progress of his constituencies at the national level, rather than gubernatorial ambition. That was Senator Ned Nwoko. To an extent, I agree with him. I think I should give it 70%. One of the things that is causing marginalization in the southeast today is as a result of 5 states. Other geopolitical zones in the country have 6. You had him. The Northwest has 7. So why won't they create an additional state to augment the one that Southeast have? But if you look at his statement, there is a twist in it. What do I mean by twist? If an additional state should come from the Southeast, it will favor the Southeast the more. But if an additional state should come from the South, it will only favor the Southeasterners politically, because at the National Assembly, they are going to have more numbers of senators. At the House of Representatives, they are going to have more House of Representative members. At election time or during election time, they will have more say. But economically, it will not favor the Southeasterners. So today I ask, should the additional state be created from the 5 Southeastern states, or should it be created from the South? I need you guys to comment. Drop a comment for me. Thank you.